Yes.
Fiery passion.
Fire.
Fiery passion.
Fire. Just a little bit because it's grip really well. Let me show closer to you. You can see it. See. All right.
Just like rest. It coming soon.
What is that?
She asked for acrylic
Oh,
brushes.
yes, live ras. Please stay tuned. Is on our way. I can't wait. My love. All right, so I have my chromes, hollow chromes in.
Crystal?
Yeah, now I'm gonna do a crystals. I was thinking of doing my weaver gels on this one, but
You do frame.
I'll
Do frame
do.
and blue.
I'm doing a crystal, bling this one out for you.
Yeah, since it's really bright, you can do some of this.
Oh.
Some of the blue stuff.
Some blue star. Look at that. I can't wait. I want to try some blue stars. All right, my condensed wool gels. Here you go. Yes, can you take care of that one, please? It's really thick density, so I'm gonna using. That's all I need. If you need more, you can always add more, but I don't want to flood it my crystals and give it a good ratios of it. And no white top coat on the top. Thank you, super cute bling nails. Thank you, Janae. I feel like it weird. Sometimes I will looking up, I see all of you comments, and then if I miss any of your questions earlier, don't kill me, please. I will try to get to assist everyone if possible. Because sometimes if I like didn't pay attention and I forget that I put something that I supposed to. You're gonna kill me anyway, so then I will might as well finish how and tie the nails first. All right, I believe, you know what, I'm showing you. I believe on your mix bags, you have this like lapis shards right here. But you know, guess what? I use them all already on my stuff. So unless I want to get some more.
I'll get more.
But just that you know that you have that. Yeah, really cool. And you can do this one. Oh, maybe what? Let me do this. We already took care of it. It's good because I want some whites on it, you know?
I think it looks nice.
Patriot colors. Oh, I want some white too. Maybe AB.
Oh, that star's nice.
I forgot. I should use a star instead of.
Yeah, move it down a bit.
like that star, but I also like that solid star instead of halo star. But should I take it off?
You can pop a small crystal in it. So you have a small crystal with like...
You know, so I get a whole entire design I prepare, and sometimes I will surprise myself like, wow, it looks good, so I should leave it there. But we'll see how is it.
Yeah, that's fine.
It's okay. He tried to convince us. But it's okay, baby, looks good. I'm so excited today because we get all cool designs I want to do. I feel like, okay, I need something. I am going to place some beads on. I think it's just so strong, like two pretty strong color, red and blue. It needs some like beads. Oh, why did I even think, huh? I should do silver instead of gold. Okay, see, so it's good that you shouldn't do it what I did, okay? I mean, if you want gold, I think it looks good. But I would think, to me, I think is silver looks good. I shouldn't get one silver in there. Silver will stand out, but also you think it's silver? Let me add silver on. It's okay, we can mix and match. Before, I would think I would never able to mix and match, but nowadays you see that people wearing rings, they stack like their rings like silver, white gold, rose gold, and then yellow gold. It looks really stunning though. So why not with nails art? We can do that, mix and match. And nowadays, especially the clients don't even wear a matching like nails anymore. They were doing something different. I have my... Here you go. My dragon scale. I always fall in love with dragon scale because it's so easy to do. You know, if anybody can tell me that, totally fine, because I just using too much. Sometimes I place so much crystal and I love a lot of them. I think that I was like overdoing it, but I love to have them more. I would never believe in like less is more. Sometimes really rare, but to me is more is better. But that's just me, I guess. Okay, here it is, right there. Something too busy.
Yeah, make some room.
Okay, now I'm going to find some of my tiny little frame. If you leave me here, of course, with some food and this tray of crystals, I can play a lot with them. But make sure you give me some food so then I can do that, create it for you. So I don't need anything else but some food and crystals. I'm easy to please with. to some friend. Can everybody seeing it on Instagram, Facebook? Make sure I'm not off the camera.
Okay, good.
So it doesn't matter, you can place so many frame width. Make sure they are stay inside of the nails. You don't want them to hang off of like it will. Let me see, I'm going a little bit off focus. Cool. Some more beads right here.
Yep. I rest say I'll Uber Eat you and you some food for the whole tray of crystal.
Uber Eat. You know, that's how I live off like Uber. When I got to travel and I was like, if like the team flying out, I'm by myself, I'll do Uber Eat.
And Kipling never said like that one look like an owl.
An hour? You think? Cool, okay. I think it's cool though. I still feel like I'm missing something, you know? Or I might be wrong. I'm debating. Oh, let's drop it off. How do I drop it? I drop the frames right on the nails. It lands before I do anything else.
There you go. You got it.
And like, hello, I'm gonna lay right here. I still see something missing.
And you got 30 seconds left.
Okay, I will see everyone back in just a second. Get back to me, come back to me. I'm gonna waiting for you over here.
We'll be right back, ladies.
Let's see if I can have some red on it. You know what? It's red on red, looks so stunning as well. It's not bad at all.
Hi, say hi,
Hi
you're back.
everyone.